Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature on the WhatsApp PC app, how to send a one-time viewed photo. This is a fantastic way to share images securely, allowing your recipient to view a photo just once. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on the PC app. Once you're logged in and ready, head over to your chats. Next, you'll want to find the conversation where you intend to send your photo. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or anyone you wish to share that special moment with. Once you've located the conversation, click to open it. Now you're in the right space to send your photo. Look at the bottom of your screen for the attachment icon. Click on that and then select the option that says Photos and Videos. This will bring up your File Explorer so you can navigate to your desired image. Now, find the specific photo you want to send. Once you've located it, click on it and then hit Open. This will add the photo to your chat, ready for the next step. Before you send it, look for the icon that features the number 1. Click on this icon to enable the one-time view feature. This tells WhatsApp that the recipient will only be able to see the photo once. Finally, click the Send button and your one-time viewed photo is on its way. And that's it. You've successfully sent a one-time viewed photo through WhatsApp on your PC. Remember, this feature adds an extra layer of privacy to your shared moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.